So, how was the journey at SC Machadi?
Tell me.
What's the journey?
It has now been 10 years since we passed out from Chatty. So everybody has a different journey to say. Someone into corporate and
But I were pretty well prepared after college to take on what was thrown to us at corporate. It was not a surprise. At least the discipline and the schedule we found, at least corporate life was not as tough in the initial years. Getting up early morning was, preparing for the exams were, and the schedule in the college was much tougher than what we found outside. So yeah, pretty well prepared after college to take on the corporate world. What we were not prepared were, the kind of straight talk that we used to get between people. That is something that you don't get in corporate. You get difficult diplomatic, political stuff which you never had in college. It was simple in college.
I mean, SMHRT did prepare us to face the life that we had. And I think that discipline aspect worked for us. Academic wise, yes, definitely. And somewhere down the line, we made some real good friends on campus, helped each other out, and it's been nice. Not bad at all. Right?
And for people like me who took the entrepreneurship route, I believe SMHRD gave me a lot of learning which was very helpful in my entrepreneurship journey. The network that I made during my SMHRD was also helpful in my business, and I really cherish every moment that I spent in SMHRD and things that I learned as a B student.
And honestly speaking, I'll tell you, I never shared this with you. I used to be very proud of Prakash. In my office, I used to always tell people that there's a guy, and I used to open his. At that time, he had launched, his website, and he was introducing for different festivals. Initial, I'm talking about 2007, 8, 9. And I used to, tell them, this is a gentleman in my college. He's opened this, and everybody used to be fascinated by the idea. And I remember some of them who moved to different companies did start to order, from your blessings. So it was really, really nice to see, a batchmate doing such wonderful stuff. We should be really proud of, Prakash doing that stuff. I never told you,
for that.
seriously.
Many of my batchmates have been really helpful to me in my venture. Some of them, it is you get a ready network of 500 people from your batch, your senior batch, or junior batch in corporate world, which is a great boon for an entrepreneur.
So, how was the experience interacting with everybody, with your batchmates, your seniors? And how did it feel coming back, meeting all of them?
It's
again?
always good. At least I have been pretty regular.
It's always good. I mean, in fact, it's really nice to see the junior batches also doing so well and doing much better than point of view of us, which is really hard to do.
Yeah. Wonderful to see people, getting into entrepreneurship very early. And
And in today's world of WhatsApp and Facebook, though we are all connected, but we are all very loosely connected. So I did not know that Satish has shifted to Bombay. So I came to know today that okay, he has shifted to Bombay. So meeting your friends personally is a different charm rather than just being there on your Facebook contact or your phone contact. That never happens. That interaction never happens through that.
it's always good to be respected as a senior. It's always nice. It's always nice to come and get respected as a senior. Because at least for me, I've always been junior. I'm the youngest in my family. So it's always good to be respected as a senior sometimes.
So, how was it interacting with the director?
Very nice. Everything, jolly personality. It's not as if ever feeling that I'm interacting with the director. It's more like a mentor who is out there to have fun and add value to students and more of an informal interaction with the junior batch. That's I think a very very nice way to do it.
There wasn't much formality. It's good.
We like it that.
I must give credit to Pratima ma'am because though we never had her as a director in our batch, but coming here and meeting her doesn't make us feel that she was not our director. It feels that okay. she
Yeah,
was
I think
as
it's a very
our
good
director.
point because whenever we meet her, it's always that we are her kids.
Hers.
Yeah, hers. Her own batch. We never felt that we are from a different batch. That's the way she's always addressed. And sometimes I think she even forgets that we are not her batch because she always talks to her in that particular manner.
And she's
Fantastic
very much
experience.
updated about all of our
Yeah,
work,
yeah,
where
yeah.
we are, what we are doing, where we are placed.
That she remembers every time exactly. And she'll pick up from the last conversation we had.
So, would you like to leave us with feedback?
Feedback?
Anything you expect out of the junior batch?
No, nothing.
I mean, you have experience in open world out there. Anything you would like to be, I mean, to say? Not the experience.
No, I guess I don't know.
Keep working hard.
I mean, keep working
First thing, because life is not going to be breezy even after you complete your MBA and start working. It's only going to get tougher. Be prepared for that.
Correct.
10 years down the line after our MBA, that's the one thing that we have realized it's never going to end. You have to keep working hard wherever you are, whatever position you are.
Absolutely.
Do that and keep partying like this.
Yeah, yeah. And keep on having these meets. It's good, to have these meets once in a while to meet and interact. And yeah, I guess now that you have a different alumni, I think chapter and all of that, the interaction will go. The onus is as much on us as is on the college to keep in touch. And I guess the college is doing pretty well. It's fine.
You guys are doing a very good job.
They're doing a good job. Yeah. Chill.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.